Hello. Right now I know we're getting close to Christmas. We're needing Christmas presents or maybe more items to restock for our booths or our consignment shops or online. So this right here is a very quick and easy way to get some things restocked. These are earrings, really fast if we need to. So this is a really cute pack of Christmas colored beads and charms that I found on Amazon. I'll link it in my description. And what I'm doing is I'm just very quickly compiling some earrings to add to refill some displays I needed to refill quickly. So I have these eye pins, which are awesome. They already have the little eye hole on one side and the pin on the other. And I'm going to take a big red bead and then this is silver spacer and a clear smaller bead. And then these are the type of pliers you need. They're joy pliers, and they will actually make your circle up here. See, watch. They're round, so you just very carefully go round in a circle and it makes your eye pin for you. Or where you're going to attach your jingle bell there. These are bells and they jingle, and I will leave some of the jingling on in the sound so that you can hear them. Then just make that closed off. And then the last thing to do would just be to add your hook to it. So these actually come together very quickly. And I love this set because the colors and the beads are pretty and there's a lot of them. Just close off your hook and you have finished an earring. So this is one pair, and then I'm going to show you a few other ones you can do. So this is going to be a big white bead with a gold spacer this time and a big red bead, a gold spacer, and a little green. And I took some pliers to the top of it to cut off the very top of this because it was too big for my eye hole, but you just depends on how many beads you're doing, but you can cut the top of it to make your loop the right size. This is me trying to decide if I want that gold spacer at the end, and I decided not to. So you're going to take your pliers and carefully again go around in a circle and close it off. And that takes practice, but you'll get the hang of it. And then I decided the white bead, the big one, will be the top of the earring. And this is me showing you these charms would be so adorable to put off at the bottom to make it a dangle, but there's only one each, so they're not good for pairs of earrings. So you'd have to use it for like a necklace. So if you wanted to do pairs of earrings with the charms, you'd have to buy 2 packs. So I would just buy some other Christmas charms to add to the bottom of these. So if I would have known that, I would have already went ahead and got some Christmas charms for it. So this, I put a jingle bell on the bottom instead, and then I put the hook on top and closed it off. But the charms would have looked so cute. So if you get this pack of beads, get some really pretty Christmas charms to put on the bottom of them. And they both turned out really pretty. I like them both. And then if you want to go even easier than that, or if you wanted a smaller earring for like a child, the easiest way to do it is to take your hook, thread it around, and just put it and make a single jingle bell. They're still cute for Christmas. Or if you had charms like this you had a pair of, you needed 2 of them for earrings, you can just thread it through, and I'll show you how pretty these are and how simple. Those would be super easy too. I really wish there was 2 of each of those. So for these, I wanted to go ahead and do a red jingle bell pair as well. And they turned out so cute. And then for my display cards, I actually have to cut them down pretty close to where the insert is for the earring hook, because where they close, you can't do it in a longer one like our others. So you have to cut them down for these. They all turned out really cute though, and I'm going to add them to my display and make some more. If you like this video, please like and subscribe because I have a ton more on my channel, a lot of resin videos as well. And I hope that you have a Merry Christmas. Bye.